guys about Sanus coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
Inside.
Brand new banger.
Inside.
Why you do it, John Cross?
banger? But as usual guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Happy Friday, man. Shout outs. Happy Friday, man. If you live visit today, that means you're blessed. Stop your complaining and your mumbling, you old person, you. Stop it right now. You're alive. You know how much people dead? You know how much people corona kill? Anyway, right into it right now. Another senseless killing. Police and bad man. Jano, Miss Simons. Back at it again. Make we look on the clip now.
Nobody has to tell me about the police garden. Nobody has to tell me about the police garden. Look how they kill the woman picnic. Look how they kill the woman picnic. Murder! Gunshot fire from both towers and everybody to go up on them. Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Oh God! And I'm telling you, we are Sana! Jesus! Shoot him! Jesus Christ! Oh God! Oh God! Jesus Christ! Oh God! When the too wicked! When the too wicked! When the too wicked! The one on the side! It's not seven! When in a video, I tell them I said I take them outside.
As them say, police and boy in a shootout. It's rough. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter down below. Next video, your boy LA. Back at it again. LA.
Not true. See it there? What year I will give a clothes, we give a food, and then find for today we are give a money. Yeah. Not joke. See it there? LA Louis I do it, make everybody see it, man. Big up the whole of things. Not joke. Andrew Wellness, you're not doing this thing. Yeah, watch this. Right now, the poor guy. The money I give it. Yeah, money. Relax them, man. Yeah, man. Only not real, man.
Alright, peeps. Boy, Miss Sinus look like LA Lewis upon another rolling, man. He upon a rolling, man. 6-6, my win. Anyway, next video.
Rumor going around say LA Lewis and Rihanna there. People, it's the news, it's fake. It don't real. You understand? So I want to know that. You understand? Cause first thing, she's not even my kind of girl. She's too slim. And more, there's been rumor going around say LA Lewis and Rihanna, though we're not sexing, we're just friends. You understand? So big up Nicki Minaj, love you girl. You understand? You're my kind of girl. Beyonce, but you know she and Jay-Z already there. So you know, so big LA Lewis and Rihanna.
Mom, slam on the brakes.
Oh, but I say you move LA from the Queen Palace to Rihanna to Nicki Minaj. Yeah, peeps, another sensation out of the road. Amari, but some freestyle. Listen, bars. I mean bars to go. Yeah.
Bumbo cloud.
The head do, the head one do.
Bumbo cloud.
The head one do, Amari, the head one do.
Oh no, no.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
What's up there now?
Oh my God! Bars.
Dirty bang,
Hey.
rise dirty bang.
Some girl let go. My angel let me sing. Me know be wine. Well, some
You have
girl
a
come
sanitizer in your
like
open your
baby
mouth. You need to spray in your mouth. Yeah.
Rise the keep banga. Rise the keep banga. Rise the keep banga. Some girl let go. Mess up the blood clot. You understand? I'm not going to somebody sing a dance song.
The baddest in a dance hall that me I make it. Amari, the ear door.
Oh!
Ear. The bar is bad, but the ear Lego like when plane take off. You know when breeze take plane and you say lensy, your head lens. Like your head lens. That's something there. Yeah man, your head want a factory set.
Kuya, look where your boy are doing. Kuya. You know bad boy.
What? Hope you enjoy them little video and ting. Happy Friday once again. Yeah. Senseless killing. Boy, that thing there. Police and people in a shootout. It rough a road. I don't even know if I say when will it stop. Can I say right, Miss Sinus? When will the killing stop? L.A. Lewis there at town I give her money. And Giolis, what are you doing right now? Come shell me a 5 grand. 5 grand. Send me a 5 grand. Money on. Yeah. Money in the hand. You got yourself in the baby Sinus. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, we're there. Amari, I just be a bars. Rise up the perp! Rise up the perp! It's bad word she cuss? I don't know. Bongo? That's a bad word, Miss Sinus. Don't ever say that on my platforms again. I spray you. Baby Sinus, stop tripping. You need to factory reset right now. But anyway, and L.A. Lewis back at it again. The man said, oh, there's a rumor going around with him and Rihanna there. The man said Rihanna is not his type. When say a while ago. You be beside us a laugh, I'm telling you. Man said Nicki Minaj is his type and the man said Beyonce there, but you don't know Beyonce and Jay-Z there. You see, I'll be beside us a laugh because it's totally ridiculous. It doesn't make any sense. But anyway, peeps, comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. Happy Friday once again. And by the way, I still go like on the other channel, the Battlefield one and Just Dance. So see me a flip part. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going with a bag of things. But anyway, big up on yourself. Happy Friday. I love you guys. Yeah, share up the video them, you know what I mean? And guess what? New content coming soon. And remember, Miss Sinus' birthday coming too. So stay tuned. Yeah. So big up on yourself. And just go and join with your boy. I shoot.